In this super quick After Effects tutorial, we will learn how to make this mysterious shiny text effect, and this one is super simple, so we just need a few effects and maybe 3 minutes, so let's just go right into it. So let's make a new composition. I'll just make it 10 seconds, and first of all, obviously we need a text, so just right click in here and go to text, and let's put something in here, and let's also right click in here and add a solid for a background, just like this. We can also hit S on the keyboard to access the scale settings and just scale it up to whatever we like. And then we can also go to the Align tab on the right here and just align it to the center. And if you can't see this one, just go to Window and make sure Align is checked here. And yeah, now we can duplicate this text. So just select it and press Ctrl D. And let's go to the lower layer and let's go to effects and add the sunburst effect first of all. I think it's the space sun on it, it's light burst, my bad. The CC light burst effect, just this one. And yeah, this is cool, but a little bit too short in my opinion, so we can first of all increase the ray length to something like 130 or 150, whatever you like. And I also think that this is going too, it's a little bit too much in all directions, and we can add an optics compensation effect to give it a really cool thing where it just goes to the edges. So if we hit reverse lens distortion and then just bring this up a lot, something like 100, we can see more that it will be like, we'll go more to the edges on the left and right, and I think this is super cool. Let's just make 115, and this is exactly what we like. But now if we would play this, nothing would happen, so it just looks cool already, but it doesn't do anything. And to counter this, we can add the turbulent noise effect and just apply it, and actually want to put it on top of all these effects, so make sure it's above these and not below, just like this. And now again, not much happens, but we can change a few settings in here. So let's just adjust it a bit, and I like to increase the complexity to something like 9. We can also increase the contrast by a lot, so let's put something like 800 in here, and or maybe that's okay. And we can also increase the scale a lot, so let's just go to transform, open this up and put something really high in here, like 400 or 500, like this should be good. Or let's just stick to, that's okay. And that's already it for the settings adjustment, but now we want to animate it, so we can just put in a keyframe at evolution at the beginning and then go to the end of our composition. And now if we just increase this value to whatever you like, depending on how fast you want this to move, we can now see, if this were pre-rendered, that this thing will just move really cool. And as you can see, this will take a lot of time to pre-render, but maybe we can just go through it. It doesn't even, but you saw in the example, I can blend it in as well again, that this will look super cool. And that's it already. I hope you enjoyed this, and see you next time.